All right, the hearing in the Gyanvapi matter has been postponed to the 3rd of January. That's the bit of news which is coming in right now. Let me try and cut across to my colleague Ananya Bhatnagar and get more details on this entire story. But two crucial developments that have happened in this case so far is that there's an ASI report that has come in, and that particular ASI report has been kept in a sealed envelope. The petitioner's side, the Hindu side, has claimed that they must get the access to the sealed cover report by the Archaeological Survey of India, because that will form one of the basic arguments that they want to lead with in this matter. Ananya with us on the broadcast. Ananya, please tell us what exactly was the point of order in this particular matter?
Well, the whole matter is now with regards to, the report being desealed, while the Hindu side says that the contents of the report be desealed and, it should be given to both the parties. The Muslim side says that, this the leaking of the content of this report can actually lead to a lot of damage. It can lead to a law and order situation in the state, and that's exactly why this report shall not be, unsealed and should be kept in a sealed cover. However, the Hindu side has been constantly claiming that, the Supreme Court too has discourage the seal cover business, and that's exactly why everything should be in the public domain. Now, what has happened today is that due to a strike in Varanasi of the lawyers and the lawyers abstaining from work, the hearing has now been adjourned to January 3rd. So we'll get to know on January 3rd as to whether or not the court feels that, somewhere or the other it wants to deseal that report, wants to read the content of that report, and what is the view of the court with this particular report that's been filed by the Archaeological Survey of India. We also saw another subsequent development taking place at the Allahabad High Court in a different suit in the similar matter, wherein the Allahabad High Court felt that this whole Gyanvapi complex can have only one kind of a religious character, whether it's a Hindu character or a Muslim character, and that can only be judged by a court. The suit, that particular suit, is not barred by the 1991 Act, but those are different proceedings. However, the ASI has been directed to file its report in that suit as well. So how much of it does it play up for both these sides? What will be the contents of these reports, whether or not it would be desealed or not? All these questions would be answered on January 3rd when the court again hears this particular matter. Anusha.
All right. Thank you so much, Ananya, for getting us all the details on that very important story. We'll continue coming back to you and get more details. For now, that hearing is adjourned. Hindu side, of course, would want the copy of that particular report. It's very important to their case. One reaction that we're playing out on the story.
यह पब्लिक डोमेन पर न रखा जाए। यदि वादिनियों को दिया जाता है तो शपथ दिया जाए, किसी को न दिखावें, मुकदमे की दृष्टि से अवलोकन सिर्फ वो उनका अधिवक्ता करें, किसी को न बतावें। इस पर हमारी घोर आपत्ति रही। आज उसे सुनवाई के लिए समय निर्धारित किया गया था। फुल डे बाइकाट होने के कारण 2 बजे जब हम लोग उपस्थित हुए तो वहाँ पर नियमित नियामक अधिवक्ता अनुपस्थित थे। 3 बजे आए और माननीय जिला जज द्वारा उनके अर्दली से पूछवाया गया कि अगर दोनों पक्ष सहमत हों तो मैं इस पर सुनवाई के लिए बैठ जाऊँ। अंजुमन इंतजामिया ने इसका सहयोग नहीं किया, कहा कि हमने सहयोग नहीं करेंगे, इसलिए 3 जनवरी डेट लग गई है। और शैलेंद्र पाठक जो तहखाने वाला जिलाधिकारी को सौंपने वाली प्रार्थना पत्र पर, मुकदमे पर जो विजय शंकर अशोक एडवोकेट को प्रतिवादी बनाने से जो आपत्ति थी, उस पर फैसला बताया गया कि अभी टाइप हो रहा है, आपको सायंकाल तक मिल जाएगा।
पक्ष लेट से आ रहा है, अब पहले तो अलग विरोध था, अब जब सबमिट हो गया उसके बाद भी अब अपने तरीके से।
हाँ, आपका कहना सही है कि मुस्लिम पक्ष कतई सहयोग नहीं करना चाहता। लटकाना भटकाना उटकाना में लगातार चल रहा है। वो चाह रहा है कि इसमें जितना विलंब हो सके, जितनी कार्रवाई न हो सके उतना अच्छा रहेगा।
ये क्यों चाह रहा है बेसिकली?